everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today is Wednesday. It is day that the vlog is going up. It's day 128 of quarantine, and I thought that this week's vlog should be a little different because we didn't vlog that much this week and I didn't feel the need to vlog the same things over and over. So with that being said, not much happened this week, so I thought that we'd kind of do a little bit of a talking vlog, show you what we did do, and go from there. I have little talking points on my phone down here, so if I look down, that's what I'm doing. So this week we only really filmed what we did this weekend. We filmed a music video with an artist called Drastic Measures, and he was hoping to put a music video out for his song called Devilish. We did that on Sunday, and we did it all day long. So we met up with him at his house. We went down into the basement, filmed some scenes there. Then we found a few spots around the Cape, mainly in like the lower Cape area, Harwich area. We found this building where we did some shots there, and then we moved on to a bridge on the bike path. It's in Dennis. It's like right off the highway. It was a really cool spot. And then we ended at a graveyard. And it was a lot of fun. It was a long day. I think we got a lot of good footage, and I'm super excited to see what Nick does with that music video and to see how far it goes, because it's so exciting to see the reach that these videos get. It's amazing. We did get the frames for our puzzles. I don't know if you remember a few vlogs back, but Nick got me a Thomas Kincaid puzzle set, and we finished one of them, and I was hoping to do like frame it. So I bought frames and sticky stuff for the puzzle. So we went ahead and, you know, laid the puzzle out, put the backing on it, and framed it, and it looks amazing, I think. And that was really all that we vlogged this week. I know. I didn't really make any new recipes. We didn't do anything different. I did play Animal Crossing, and I'm almost done with my island. I'm probably going to post a whole separate video about that later on, so I didn't want to show any of that. And that is basically the extent to our week. Just working, same old Animal Crossing, same food, and yeah, I just thought that because we didn't film a lot, maybe I just go ahead and just do a little chatty vlog instead. So now that you've seen what we've done for the week, I wanted to talk a little bit about a few different things. Let me pull it up. Alright, so feelings. I know a lot of you have feelings, everyone has feelings, I have feelings, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about it, just to let you know that it's okay to have feelings. You are human. We are in this weird world right now where it's just a little bit hard to take in at the moment. For me, I'm feeling upset that just everything has been postponed, work-wise, personally. I don't know how to explain it in a way that won't hurt any feelings. My intention is not to hurt any feelings, but I just don't feel like I really have anyone to talk to other than Nick, really, which is fine. I'm thinking about doing a journal, but I just wanted to voice how I'm feeling right now. Maybe this will help. Maybe speaking to you guys will help. And it's totally valid, and it's totally okay to feel this way. And most of the time, I am happy, but there's some times where the days are just horrible, and I'm feeling awful, and it just is what it is, and I'm sure you guys are feeling that way, and if you are, I'm sending some vibes over to you, because you'll get through this. The day will be over, the new day will start, and you'll feel amazing. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was our Disney update. We're about 76 days out from our trip, and we still don't know if we're going or not. I'm following a lot of Disney groups on Facebook and seeing people going to the parks right now, and personally it seems pretty amazing because the crowds are super low, and honestly with the park reservations and the minimal, you know, showings or whatever, it does still seem pretty magical, and I don't think I would mind going. So I'm on the fence still, but I'm leaning more towards going. The only thing that's bringing me back is just the numbers and the COVID like second wave in Florida. It's not good, and I don't know if it's worth it because we've worked so hard to quarantine ourselves at home. So Disney's still up in the air, not sure what's happening. We still got 3 months to go, 76 days. Is that 2 months? That's two and a half months. Other than that, I have ordered some things on Amazon, and I feel like everything I've ordered I've had to return. We bought lights for the porch. They were too big, so we had to exchange them for smaller ones. We bought an umbrella for the porch. It was way too big, so we bought another one, still way too big. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to get like a different coffee table and put the umbrella in the middle of it, because I feel like it's the only way that's gonna work. And then every time I order something, I find new things that I have to order, so there's a constant incoming of packages, and I don't even know what I got last, seriously. But yeah, that is the extent to today's vlog. It's probably gonna be super short, super simple, and hopefully I'll have more to film this weekend. I think we have some plans, not exactly sure. It's either our friends are coming to the Cape or filming another music video, so we'll have to see how that goes because I'm not sure. So yeah, I think I should have a better vlog for you next week with more stuff that we plan on doing. I want to film my Animal Crossing vlog soon, and yeah. If you guys took the time to watch this all the way to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. It seriously means so much, and I know I sound like a broken record at this point. Can you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already? I've said this before, I have a lot of more views than I do subscribers, and I'm not sure why. So if you can, literally, there's like a play button in the bottom right hand corner. If you click that, literally just click the word subscribe and you should be all set to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment too. I like to respond. Hit the thumbs up button. And until next week, I'll see you in another quarantine vlog. Bye. Oh my gosh, she's so stinking cute.